Hey everyone, I am Priyam, and on this video I will be showing you port forwarding. So basically it means that you're exposing your local host so that other devices can access it. So basically it creates a doorway on your router which allows other devices to access it without any hassle. So we will be using the application Ngrok. So I'll be downloading the exe file of this. So for those who don't know what is Ngrok, it basically helps you in the process of port forwarding. So I have this I have downloaded this zip file. So for that you need to extract it, and then this is the exe file. But before that I will show you, this is the home page which we will be exposing it, we will publish it basically, you can say. Now okay, now before that we need to first put this in our local host, right? So for that you can use Apache or you can use XAMPP. For this video I am using XAMPP. Okay, so I need to first turn it on, all the services. If you have any difficulties to how to download XAMPP, then you can directly go to the website of this, and then you can just press this button and you can install it. It's that simple. So now if I go to localhost, you can see this is the dashboard. I need to replace it. So for that I need to just turn this off, and then replace this. I'll delete this. Okay, going to work perfectly fine. So now this is the localhost. I have put it in my localhost with the help of XAMPP. Okay, now we need to port forward this. We need to expose this IP address basically. So it is running on the port 80. Okay, so for that, now before that what we need to do is we need to authorize our token. We need to add our token basically. So for that you need to first log in the Ngrok website. Let me show you. Your auth token. So copy it and then downloads / my see, and that's all. If I see, and there's this exe file of Ngrok. So now I need to paste the command, and as you can see, auth token saved. Now we need to port forward it. So for that we have to run the command ngrok http at 80. 80 is the port on which the localhost is running, which is, as you can see here. So when I press enter, as you can see, we are successful in port forwarding. So this is the public URL. Show you. Let me paste it over here. So as you can see here, this is the public. Our localhost has been exposed, and this is the public URL through which you can access it, right? So now I will show you here. If you scroll down, you can see the agents over here. So basically when you forward one particular port, it basically becomes an agent, this URL, right? So here you can see the details. So it's Windows, and here you can find the URL over here too. So you can share it with your someone who wants to access your localhost, and they will be successful in accessing that, right? Yep. So that's all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks for watching.